Hey guys, it's Rob. So, I've been having an issue with my fridge apparently. Yeah, it is not cold. It is not fucking cold, and I had a whole half gallon of milk literally curdle in my fridge. So, yeah, the bottom part of this is fucking dead. Now, the top part is mildly cold. It's like cold enough. So I just like dropped like $300 on my credit card to get a new fridge. It is a used fridge, and it should be here either today or Monday. So you'll see that when it happens. Anyways, goodbye. Alright, so I've cleared a whole bunch of junk off of it, and pretty much everything else just crap that needs to be thrown away anyways. And my new fridge, my new used fridge, I'm not gonna put a whole bunch of fucking shit on it like this one. But kitty. So I just talked to the person and they said that it should be today. So, hooray! The thing about this that pisses me off the most is that this money was going to be part of going to the next Drunken Peasants meetup, where I was actually going to make myself known and stay clear and level-headed enough to make videos and post them and stuff like that. I'm like highly disappointed with my behavior when I went to Columbus, but that was like you gotta understand that meetup happened literally, on the anniversary of my 10 years of bullshit that I've been through. So I felt it was like it was my opportunity to have an experience that was purely for me. Like I went to fucking New York 3 times, and 2 of the times I shared like every fucking second with you guys. So and the third trip, a lot of people don't understand this. The third trip was like 2005, and so I haven't shared that trip with you because I literally can't, because it doesn't exist. Nothing from that trip. There's nothing from that trip that exists. So it's almost like it didn't even fucking happen, almost. Anyways, whatever, bye. So the old fridge is gone, and in fact it's actually There it is. It's out on the porch waiting for the people to come and haul it away. So there she is. Actually bigger than my old one. So, but thanks to this fucking piece of shit, I won't be going to the hangout unless somebody's willing to flip the bill. If so, I need $370 something bucks. But I doubt anybody's willing to pay that. So much bigger. The drawers and stuff inside were kind of dirty, so I asked my neighbor to clean them. So she's gonna do that. Hooray! Goodbye. Yeah. So instead of going and hanging out with Ben, Scotty, and TJ, I got a new refrigerator. So that means that I have like $1,000 and minus. I had $2,000 minus 300 is, I don't fucking know. I don't know. I know. Alright, so my neighbor was kind enough to wash the inside little cabinet things, which I can move around. I even have this thing. You know, I gave her a couple of bones to do it, because they were like all dirty and covered with like condiments and shit like that. So there you go, that's the inside. And there's the, oh yeah, wait, I didn't show the inside of the freezer thing. I gotta get some duct tape or something to fix this for this, but there we go. And I'm gonna try to stay on top of keeping the inside clean. So yeah, there you go. So I had to choose between having a refrigerator and having food that will stay cold and milk that won't curdle, and going to the next Drunken Peasants meetup. And I chose that. And now fucking like Mark Kelly's like, oh, I'm coming to your town and we'll see if you're man enough to face me. But he refuses to say when he's coming or where he'll be. So that's what he'll do. He won't say when he's coming or where he'll be, and then when I'm not where he expects me to be, when he wants me to be there, then I'll be a fucking pussy. Just what? Yeah. Okay. Fucking A, man. It's just like, I fucking hate this guy so fucking much. Alright. Whatever. Goodbye.